Take a ride in 2012 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, wheel covers, fog lamps, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.